Hello there, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm with Angela. Say hi, Angela. She's trying to get out of the car. We didn't bring the dog today. It's a little windy today. We're here to see a classic car show. There's also some bicycles you may be interested in. I'm seeing them from, I can see my bird's eye view. I can see, well, there are also some motorcycles. So let's take a look at this. This is going on just outside of Roswell, I guess maybe about less than a mile. But come on with us, because you just entered car show edition. With a few, hopefully we'll see some 32s and some 57s. That's the ones I kind of like. First, we'll take a look at some of these. Let's check these out. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Look at that paint job. Love the big front wheel. There's another one there. Well, that's Chevelle. I think I've seen one with that kind of paint job before. I've seen flames, but normally they're back there behind the tires. Nice. Metal Brock. Nice, right? Love the Kragers. My favorite. And that's a 54 Mercury. Really great condition. Looks like his brother over here. It's a 48. 48. Futura? No. Fleet line. Good curb feelers on it. We got the blinds. Those are cool. Just a little bit of customized. I think that top has been chopped too. Nice sheen to the paint. This in here's a little more all original. See that? You can always tell by that air breather there. Special deluxe. Covers for the wheels. It's nice. This one here is it's a T-bucket, it's a little more of a rat rod. Got the classic chain steering wheel. Those are cool. He's got his battery right there. Gonna put his elbow on the battery to drive it. That's awesome. Rod and Custom, Carlsbad, New Mexico. I drove up from. It's about a 70-mile drive south of here. This is 26 T-bucket. Cool. And that's a 55 Chevy Bel Air. Looks like it's all original. There we go. Now you can see that motor. Trying to keep it all original, huh? Nice. The sunlight's killing me here. Try to get this thing figured out. C10. My wife's a big truck fan. Oh, she likes that one, but crazy. It's a 48. I love it. It's got the extra spare tire on the back. Coca-Cola, nice. Talk about a display. There you go. Well, there's a tricycle there. Cool. There's a nice little Chevy. Got 327 turbo fire. And that would be a Thunderbird. Good looking bird. '65. Customized just a smidge. A lot of customization actually. Even some of the lines on the side have been customized. Wow. What that interior? White. White leather. Trying to keep it original inside, looks like, except for that steering wheel. What would that be? I don't know. 57 Studebaker maybe? Called Transstar. Try to keep it as original as possible. That motor, that's nice. That's good. I like it. Got the original mirrors, or should I say the original style. Got the original Studebaker. We got a doorknob there. Studebaker. I got a video of the Studebaker Museum. I'll try to put that link in here. They're in Indiana. It's up in Elkhart. A couple of other trucks. What's that one? 52. They're not white walls, they're red walls. It's setting low too, it's got a low stance to it. But they dropped it. Didn't drop it quite as low as this one. This looks like it could probably bounce. It's a 64 Impala. Got some paint issues. Maybe he wants it like that. Got the gold accents there, nice. And the covers on his lights. It's good from a distance, doesn't it? Definitely setting low. Got some original stuff in there. Cool. And that is a 47 Ford. I took the bumper off of that one. Definitely been customized. Pinstriping. Nice interior. Good look getting in that back seat. I like that metallic though. There's another Chevy Impala here. Actually, this is the Bel Air model. 61. That's not the original engine, I assure you. And check that intake coming. Nice. I like it. It'd be a nice everyday car. That's what I would use it for. Cool looking. I like it. Move those mirrors back. I think those mirrors are actually up here. I believe so. Almost swear by it. A little bit of customization. I think is good for some of these older cars. It just makes them really pop. They got a few newer ones around here too. Got an F-150 there that's been lowered. Definitely been lowered. And that one's been raised a little bit. I can check it out. I love it. It's a camshaft. Who does that? Got some patina on it. Got a little patina on it. Pretty original inside. It's an old beater, kind of. It's this Ranger. Nice to see there. kind of cool. I like it. It's different, that's for sure. Check out this Monte Carlo here. They got a nice mural commemorating someone who passed away. Check this out. I don't think I've seen this before. No, that's not dirt. That's airbrush. And they're all done that way. Nice. More airbrush. Cool. I like the Monte Carlos. That's a 77 Pontiac Firebird. Not the Trans Am model, but I actually kind of like this a little better than Trans Am. I do like T-tops though. Nice. This old Fleetwood here, he's still restoring it. This guy hadn't had it less than a year, I think he said. Got the nice big fins on it. How about those fins? They don't make them like that anymore, do they? Well, the joke was that it never passes a gas station. It sucks some gas. It's cool. I like this old pickup. Flat black. The tailgate's welded in. Nice touch there. Racing tires. Pretty cool. It's definitely a head turner. No question. I like the velvet. Red velvet in here. That's a 1940 Plymouth truck. Plymouth doesn't make trucks anymore. They got out of that business. It's a Ford though, basically. Cool.